What's up, everybody? Tonight we're going to make mini BLT Crostinis. So, cheers and let's cook. So the first thing we're going to do is make our crostinis. For that, I'm going to slice up a baguette, get it onto a sheet tray, drizzle it with a little olive oil, and then pop it under the broiler for about a minute until they're nice and golden brown. Our crostinis are all crostinied up, so now we're going to chop some bacon. I'm just going to finely mince 6 pieces of cooked bacon. Now we're going to whip our diced bacon into some cream cheese. So the first thing we're going to do is whip our cream cheese. I let that sit out and get to room temp. I'm going to drop that in my mixer, throw on the paddle attachment, and then we will whip that until it's nice and creamy. Cream cheese is nice and smooth. Pop that open. Go ahead and add our bacon. And then we'll spin that again so that bacon is well incorporated. We got our bacon and cream cheese all whipped up. I just transfer that over to a piping bag and now we can set it aside. The only thing left to do prep wise is quarter some cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to take each cherry tomato, cut it into quarters. I have my quartered cherry tomatoes, my crostinis, my cream cheese and bacon mixture, as well as some parsley, and we are ready to assemble. First thing we're going to do is go on, put a little dollop of our cream cheese mixture onto each crostini. Next we'll go through and add a quarter of our cherry tomato to each one. And now to finish them, I'm just going to go back through and put a little piece of parsley on each one. And those are ready to eat. We've got some awesome little BLT crostinis here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Guys, cheers, and I'll see you next time.